Hello guys, it's Sci-Fi Gamer, and today I thought we'd go into Scratch, a good programming free that you can make your own games, projects, and more stuff like that. Boop. Click me. Look. Hello. Why, hello there. What do I do? Use WASD to move the pancake and to move waffle. And then try your best to navigate the maze to save Princess Poppy Tart. Also make sure you don't touch the sides of the maze. Oh, okay. You're timed. I'm timed. What even is it? Oh. 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 Okay. How am I supposed to do this exactly? I get it's WSD, but like, come on. What? What? Why can't I just pick it up and move it? Ugh. Ah! What's this? What? Ugh. Oh, but maybe I gotta actually go this way. Okay, I'm done with you. Let's go to another one. Boopity boop boop boop. Let's try gravity. Boop 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 boop. Doo-doo. This project can detect and a username. Well, thank you for telling me this. Gravity. I'm guessing this guy. James S. Woo. Whoa, okay, that's. Wow. 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 What? How do I defy gravity? Oh! Wow. Wow. What? Do 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 do. Pew, pew, pew. Yeah. Pew, pew. Well, that's cool. Is that it? No, there's more. Oh, okay. Pew, pew. Hmm. Well, don't exactly. How am I supposed to do this? Wow, 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 wow. How am I? No. But how I get? It's cool, yeah. What's the purpose? Meow, meow. Wow. And let's try one of mine, shall we? But I'm on Scratch. Let's see, do we have any good ones? Ooh, let's do my don't hit space edition. Yay! I climbed her, but that's not the end. What? Okay, perhaps we should try a new game. Hold on. Okay, sorry guys that I had a pause there, but today we're gonna play. Sorry, not today. You're probably still watching. Now we're gonna play Unfair Mario. Sorry you started to play, so we'll start from the beginning. Use arrow keys to move Mario around. What? 200. No. Oh, why don't I try it again? Yep. No. Uh. What? Uh. Oh. This game is much harder than it seems, just like some of you guys know. I'm just gonna let go. Yeah! Jump on. Ow. Hup. 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 Yeah. Hup. Ah! Oh my god. This game's so unfair. Hence the name. Ah! Can I just get through one level? No! No, 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 no. Yep. How far does this block go? Oh my god. Yay! We did it! Okay, what's next? Hit. Hit. This game. So unfair. Whoa! Oh! Eh. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Hit. No, no, no! Ugh. I'm gonna have to stop it here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. More videos coming soon. Subscribe and like.